Snoring. It's a real medical problem. It's annoying to those around you and causes sleepless nights and stress. It's a leading cause of unhappy marriages. But most of all, it's embarrassing. It's not your fault. Snoring is a real medical problem that requires a real medical solution. Call this number now for the Lifestyle Snoring Centers. No more clumsy devices for your mouth or nasal strips. Now there's a solution. Today, an FDA-approved device utilized by the doctors at Lifestyle Snoring Center make this procedure quick, easy, affordable, and it's proven to eliminate snoring. Licensed doctors at Lifestyle Snoring Centers offer a cure. This simple procedure is done without any cutting or surgery and eliminates embarrassing snoring. Do what's best for you. Call this number now. Performed by specialists in the comfort of a lifestyle center. This amazing procedure takes less than an hour. Results are quick. Call now for more information and end the embarrassment. Do it for yourself and your loved ones. Call today.